Yeah, da na 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 na, da na na na, da na na na. Let's go. Oh, yeah. What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, do you can fight.
Hey guys, welcome. So I just filmed this hair tutorial how I got my frontal to lay. This is my first time doing a frontal, guys. First time. And I don't know, I think I did a pretty decent job. You want your hair to look like this, or you want to see what I did to achieve this look, then keep on watching. By the way, bundles were from my mom. Sent the bundles to me. I don't know where she got the bundles from. And the frontal, because this is a frontal, guys. This is my mom's frontal. Yeah, this is the frontal. So the frontal was from Miss Toxic hair on AliExpress. It's the Brazilian deep wave. I tried as much as possible to make it blend with the bundles, because the bundles, I believe, are like curly. This is like wavy. So I tried as much as possible to make it blend. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I did that, then keep on watching. If you guys have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section. If you guys want to see anything you guys want to see, actually, leave it in the comment section. And I'm so sorry about the sound because it is raining. And yeah, you guys should enjoy the video. This is my first time laying a frontal, guys. Please, nobody should come for me in the comments. I am not an expert. I am learning. Hey guys, so basically I'm just showing you guys in this clip how I pluck my frontal and how I bleach my knots on this frontal, so keep on watching. In this clip, I'm just showing you guys how I dyed my frontal to be the same color as my bundles, but it didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to, so I had to go over and dye it again. And I did the watercolor method with the Adore hair dye in sienna brown. Anyway, I'm about to show you guys how I install this wig that I made myself. Yes. Yeah, this wig is really nice and really stiff wear.
Oh, stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Oh, no what?
Stiff what?
Well.
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake bitch.
What?
Shake.
After adequately adjusting my wig to the way I wanted it to sit on my hairline, you guys can just see me playing around with the wig in this clip because it looked mad cute. So I'm just going to go with the Got To Be glue, the black one, and I'm just putting that on my hairline. And yeah, you just see what I'm doing. Yeah, you guys see me putting on one coat of the Got To Be glue and trying to fan my hairline to make sure it dries. It's because I wasn't really going anywhere, so I didn't see the point in using so much Got To Be, and I made sure it was tacky before I started laying my wig. So when laying my wig, I would advise you not to use your fingers to press the lace into your hairline. Use like a rat tail comb or something, so that way you don't get a lot of glue on your hands and it sticks better.
guys, so I'm going to be using an eyebrow razor to cut my hairline, but I'm using the scissors to just cut in between to make the job easier for me. That way my hairline is not like straight across and it's not weird looking. Alright guys, this was the point I felt I fucked up, but it all turned out alright in the end. So I cleaned off the white cast and cut off my ear tabs, and I started molding my edges with the foaming mousse, styling mousse, I think that's what it's called. Yeah. So here I'm just using my comb to break up the hardness that the mousse caused on my hair to make it kind of softer and, you know, look nice. And I did the same thing for my edges as well. Then I used my powder to kind of blend my lace with my skin tone. Although I found a way to make that a lot easier for myself, which I'll probably show you guys in another video. That's the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.